pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hello guys, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I have an unboxing for you. And if you like unboxings, you might want to stick around and hit that subscribe button at the end. Alright guys, so the Eyescream Beauty Box is $25 a month. I forget exactly what I pay. I can probably find it and put it in here for you, but I've got some goodies. So I don't have the box because my dog, if y'all saw my shorts videos, likes to rip up my subscription boxes, so I had to empty everything out. So here we go. We have, for August 2022, the Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. And here she is. She's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I like her a lot. I'm pretty sure I have her. I will probably do a separate video with a look if you guys want to see that. She has a $35 value. Then we're going to go on to the Crown Pro Eyeliner. And I think I already put them away. I did. There was two. Okay, we had a silver and a purple. Here they are here, $7. It says they are metallic. And let's move on. First time ever for me getting this box, we got a serum in it. And this is by my Skinny Mask. It says it's the Miracle Hydrating Cream, $40. I did use it and I was expecting it to leave my skin greasy and it did not. So I was kind of happy about that. Plus, I'm not dry anywhere. So that works. Okay, moving on. The Pierre Holographic Lip Gloss. I haven't even opened her yet. She has a $20 value. We're going to try her out. Let's see. Okay. I just have a lip oil on, so we'll put this over it. Let's see. Ooh. I wasn't expecting to like this. Oh, it smells good. I like stuff that smells good. Yeah, not bad. Okay. Let's go ahead and do a swatch so you can see what she looks like on her own. She's kind of pinkish, but it's a pretty color. Okay. Then I believe we have two products left. Yes. A $20 value. We have the Ipsy. This really stuck my finger in it. This broke. I'm not sure. I probably did it. This is the highlighter here. Ooh. I don't know why I want to smell it. Eyeshadows usually don't have a scent. There it is there. And then we have a blush. Okay. She's nice and pink. Wow. Pigmented. Alright. Here we have it here. Here are all the colors. We've got the highlight, the blush, the eyeliners, and the lip gloss. So let's go ahead and recap. For 25 bucks, this is really good box. We got the hydrating serum, the Scarlet Dusk palette, the lip gloss, the eyeliners, and the Ipsy blush and highlight duo. That's pretty neat. I do like Eyescream Beauty. I'm definitely going to keep getting this box. They are usually pretty makeup heavy every month. We did get the hydrating serum for the first time, at least for me. I have not been getting this box as long as some other YouTubers have. So if you've got any input, put that down in the comments. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate all of you so much, and I'll see you real soon in another video.